What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be decorating my car. I just got it yesterday, so I'm a little sorry. A car was passing by and I couldn't finish my sentence, but I'm a little excited is what I was trying to say, but I got an attention span of a child, so that's that. But anyway, let's get to it, because I don't know, you want to subscribe to my channel, you could do that. It's just, you know, just gotta push a button and all. You could hit that bell too, you know, if you feel like it. I ain't forcing you to do it, but it's recommended, you know. But yeah, let's get to it. So I got this car yesterday. I haven't named it yet, but I got a feeling we're gonna be best friends, you know. I hate when people ride by and stare directly in your face. Like, yeah, I know I'm talking to myself and I got this ring light up and I'm wondering what the hell I'm doing. But that's besides the point. You all up in my face. Can I get it back, please? Anyway, so I got a couple things to decorate my car. So this is day one, because a lot of the stuff hasn't came yet. So most of it will be here on Friday, if I'm lucky. It said Friday or Thursday, so hopefully it comes tomorrow, but if anything, it'll come Friday. But anyway, let's go on to the video. First, I'll give you a little tour of the car on the inside before I do anything to it. Brand new, out the dealership. So you can see the before and after. The before and after. The before and after. This car is pre-owned. It had two owners before me, and it has 76,000 miles on it as of now. It's a Chrysler 200. It's white on the outside, all black on the inside. And let's get to it, because I'm probably born like y'all, right? So this is how it looks so far without any decoration. I got scrunchies, I got an aux cord, I got a little mount, I got some deodorant for the times where, baby, I got little trash cans. My trash can for my car is arriving on Friday. That's one of the things that's arriving. And then I got these little bling. I don't have no push to start, but I could at least, you know, bling it up a little bit, you know. And then I got this for to make my car smell good, obviously. And these to clean it up, you know, because I'm not letting this car get dirty. We could take a trip to my old car, because that bitch is dirty. But this is the back of the car, all black. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. I already put my little charger in here, because baby, I'll be lost. Whew, sorry y'all, I had to yarn. So first thing first. Oh, it smells good. It's Bahama Breeze, and I got it because I miss the Bahamas and I miss traveling, and I can't go no at the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my dashboard. I got an aux cord, and 6 feet should be long enough for anybody that want to be in the back and be the DJ. Because, you know, the DJ don't always want to sit in the front seat, you know? Ugh. I'm going to bring y'all in because I don't want my car door to be open so long. Okay, so far we got the aux in. We got my charger in. I just want to know how to hide these cords. Like, what to do next. I've been seeing people put like scrunchies on their cars, but I don't know how I feel about that, because look at how small my gear shift is. Like, it's a little baby. Like, I don't know if it can handle that. But okay, I'm gonna put my deodorant and everything in here. So deodorant will be in here, and then these trash bags will be in here, and then this is just like a little what am I trying to say? A little a little microfiber towel for the outside of the car. And then a lint roller, just in case, you know? You never know. I hope that's a good angle. But now we're gonna put this on there. So let me open. I wanted one of those magnetic ones, but I got trust issues, so that's how that goes. So I'm guessing we take this little thing off. Yep. This on. I don't know if I want to double it or what. But that's cute. I don't know, my gift shift is just so little. It's cute though. Do you like it? Do you likes? Yeah, that I like. That's cute, and it's not in the way of like it turning or anything, so that's good. So now let's do the second one. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. Alright, so now I'm at Best Buy. I just need like a little aux cord for this part, because hello iPhone. So now I got the aux cord. Sorry. I'm sorry if that was traumatic for you, but it's Friday. So we have packages and we are going to finish the car. So it's Friday. I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself. But let me get out these pajamas and I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, we're back. Go ahead and open this box. The first thing I got was this trash can for my car. A little trash can. Is the light. There is our trash can. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing we got is the lights. And I guess you just stick these on, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to figure out how to hide these cords, because oh my god, like, just don't get it. Okay, 1 down, 3 to go. I've seen some people on YouTube put it under their floor mats, so that's what I might do. There we go. All right, we're back. It's another day, and now I got my steering wheel cover, that just came, and my car cup holders, so we're going to install those. Ooh. See, I couldn't decide between like the furry one and the rhinestone one, so guess what we're doing? Both of them.
Me. Help me.
If it don't fit, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna tell you right now. We're gonna come back today. So next thing we got is the coasters. What that say? Don't up my car. Say it with me. Don't up my car. Period. Okay? As you can tell, I'm out of breath. It literally took me 30 minutes to put this, like, and I was gonna be real mad, like, Amazon, are you kidding me? And then here is the little cup holders. Those went in easy breezy, lemon squeezy. The other girls were struggling on YouTube, like, oh my God, I thought it was not that serious, but it is that serious. You see, do you see how much I was sweating putting that on? It is hot too, so that probably made it worse. But you get what I'm saying though. You get what I'm saying. So when you open this up, it has I have gloves in there, mask in here, and then band-aids for just in case, and because I don't know, Corona don't want to leave, so that's that. Then we have the rest of the oops, I want to turn on the rest of the stuff. So that's just the trash bags and everything else, and then the lights. So it's lights right there, and also lights right there and there, and yes, they are purple. The reason why these lights are still in here is because I tried to stick it to the car and now it wants to stick to the cords, but it don't want to stick to the car. So I'm gonna try to get some like command strips, because I literally just took this off and it won't even stick no more. So that kind of made me sad. But I'm gonna get some command strips and then just do it like that. But besides that, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't all over the place, okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next banger.